So now coming lecture number 2. So I told you that do not play with matchstick. Yes, if you are a small child, so you should not use any matchsticks, or you should not lit candle also. You should not lit a lamp also. This should be done by your elders, your mother, your elder brother, your elder sister. Okay, you should not do it by your. And do not go near fire or a lit gas stove. You could get a bug. Whenever your mother is cooking, your sister is cooking in a kitchen, you should not go. If you are a small child, you should not go near to the stove. If you will go, maybe you could get a burn. So do not play with matchsticks, okay, or lit candles and lamps, okay. Do not play with matchsticks or lit candles and lamps. Next point is, do not play with sharp objects such as blades, knife or scissors. You may cut yourself. Yes, you should not play with the sharp objects such as blade, scissors and knives. Okay, you should not cut vegetable also with the help of a knife. If you are a small child, you should not use such things, sharp object things. Okay, so do not play with sharp objects such as knives, scissors, okay, blade, etc. If you will play, what will happen? You will cut yourself. Now we go to page number 102. Safety at school. So we have seen safety at home. Now we will see safety at school. Safety at school. So here are some few rules we will see. Do not run inside classroom, in corridors or on the stairs. You may fall and hurt yourself. Okay. So you should not run inside classroom. You should not you should not run on the corridor also. You should not run on the stair also. If you will run, you will fall. You may fall and get hurt yourself. So do not run in classroom, in corridors or on the stairs. You may fall and hurt yourself. Okay. Do not stand or play on the top of tables and chairs. Do not please not play and do not stand or play on top. If you are in a classroom, if you are sitting on the chair and table, you should not stand or play on the top of table. If you will do it, you will fall and you will get hurt yourself. So do not stand or play on the top of chair, top of table, top of chairs and tables. Next, do not push or pull your friends, you could hurt yourself or other. Okay, yes. If you are standing in assembly in morning, and if you are after when you are leaving for your home, when you are going, on that time also you should not push or pull your friend. If you will push and pull your friend, other will get also hurt. Okay, other will, you will get, you could hurt yourself and other also, you will get hurt yourself also and you will hurt to other person also. So do not push or pull, do not push or pull your friends. Okay, you could hurt yourself and others. Now the last point is always climb up and down the stairs in a queue. Always climb and down the stairs in a queue. Do not run up or down the stairs, as you may trip and fall. Always climb up and down the stairs in a queue. Whenever you go up the stair, whenever you come down the stairs, you should always go in a queue. Queue means you should always go in. If you are in assembly line, if you are going in your classroom, you should always go in a queue. Means in a proper line, in a straight line. You should not push, you should not pull also. And do not run up or down the stairs, as you may trip and fall. And you should not run also. So do not, sorry, always climb up and down the stairs in a queue. Okay, queue means in a proper line. Okay, in a queue, do not run up or down the stairs, as you may trip and fall. Okay, so you should not do this also. Whenever you are in assembly line, whenever you go up, whenever you climb or whenever you come down the stair, you should never push, you should never run. Okay. So the safety at school is also completed. Next is safety on the school bus. So before starting safety on the school bus, I will give you some word meaning, okay, that you will find in your book also. But I am giving you, see. First is to be aware, okay, to know and understand easily, getting hurt, electric sockets, where electric machines such as toasters, in which we toast bread, and refrigerators are plugged in. Okay, so we should not touch these things. So this is one thing you will write in your copy. So in next classes I will go for next topic, that is safety on the school bus. So for now, goodbye.